Hi everybody, this is Professor Vladimir Alvarez again. In this video, I am going to clarify an aspect of English phonetics or phonetics, that is the fact that there are voiceless or voice sounds. Okay, voiceless sounds are the same that unvoiced and voice sounds. So as I told you, in English, there are these two different types of sounds, the voiceless or unvoiced and voice sounds. What is the difference between these two types of sounds? Well, to recognize or to make the difference or to feel the difference between these two different sounds, you have to touch your throat with your hand, or like this way, or you can use these two fingers, put them here in your throat, so you can make the difference. If you see voiceless, when you see voiceless is when you make a voiceless sounds, your throat doesn't vibrate. So you don't feel these the vocal cords vibrating. What about the voice sounds? The voice sounds is when you make a voice sounds, your throat vibrates. So you feel vibration in the vocal cords that are located here in our throat. Let's see some examples to clarify more this topic, okay? As you can see, there are some symbols that are voiceless. Voiceless because, as I explained in the previous slide, these sounds do not produce vibration. The throat here do not vibrate. So you can say like p, or you can say like t, k, f, s, sh, ch. The throat and the vocal cords do not vibrate. So here we have some examples. You can notice the difference. So these are the phonetic symbols for the p in the word pen, p in the word cap, or p in the word cape. T for two, t for street, t for omelette, and t for late. So in the K sounds we have the k, kitchen, k, key, k, chicken, k, book. We have the f, five, f for photo, rough for F for rough, f for three, f for tooth, s for ceiling, s for sister, s for science, s for this, sh for shop, sh for sure, nation, ch for chicken, ch for nature, ch for match. As you feel and repeat these sounds and repeat these sounds, and I would like you to like repeat these sounds and send them to me, so you can notice there is no vibration. There is no vibration in the vocal cords or in this part or area of your throat. Continuing with this topic, we're going to move into voice sounds. What are the voice sounds? The voice sounds are simply these sounds that do produce vibration here. You can feel the vibration here. If not, you can cover your ears. So you can cover your ears like this and start producing them, like for example, B. So you can feel the sound blows inside your head and in your ears. And you can feel that is tremendously high. Though it is something for you to know that all vowel sounds are voice sounds because they produce vibration. Do you remember the pronunciation of the vowels in the alphabet? For example, A, E, I, O, U. These sounds produce vibration here. So there are consonant sounds as the ones that we have here. They do produce vibration. For example, feel it with your fingers, please. Feel it with your fingers. Oh, sorry. Feel it with your fingers. It's like b, b, d, d, g, g, v, 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 z, z, j, 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 j. So, these are the voice sounds representing consonant sounds. Here we have some examples as b in book, or b in baby, b in rubber, and b in job, d in day, d in dead, d in ladder, and d in old, g in game, in green, in ghost, back in bag, giggle, g in giggle, v in vase, v in vest, v in movement, and v in move, v in this, v in mother, v in smooth, z in zebra, z in music, and z in puzzle, sure, pleasure, vision. And then we have the j in genius, j in age, j in bridge, j in judo, and j in lounge. So these are the voice sounds. Make sure they produce vibration here. It would be great if you send me a WhatsApp voice note, so I can feel these same examples appearance in these slides, so we can practice them more, okay? And there is something that is important to know. As you can read here, it says, every voiceless sound has a similar voice sound. This is, for example, the word p and b. They use the same vocal device, or aparato fonatorio, the vocal device. The same movement, as you can see, is p and b, p and b. So this one here is p, that is voiceless. It doesn't produce vibration here. And what about the second one here? B, it produces vibration. So the same sound with the t, t, that is voiceless, doesn't produce vibration here, and d, d, that is here. K, g, g, f, f, v, v, f, f, v, s, s, z, z, sh, sh, j, 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 j. You see, they use the same movement here, but with different sounds. It's voiced and voiceless sound. Okay, so this is important for you to keep it in mind. These are the p, t, k, f, s, sh, and ch sounds, and these are the b, d, g, v, v, z, j, j. These are the voice sounds. Okay, the voiceless, you have to learn these 8 voiceless sounds to improve your pronunciation, as well the voiced sound. If you are conscious of this, let me tell you this, you're going to improve your English pronunciation. And what else do I have to say? Thank you for watching this, and if you have further comments or further questions, don't forget to chat, okay? Bye bye. See ya.